Hello, good morning. This is a new application called CIT2ADM Citizen to Administration. So when I log in, my phone is in French, so it becomes French, and now I'm going to change the language to become English. So let me just change it, and now it is in English. If your phone is in English, automatically it will start in English. So this is the dashboard. So let me start from the beginning. So from the beginning, so CIT2ADM For Pedestrian, Citizen to Administration. So you come up to the dashboard. So let me log out because I was logged in. Okay. And so now, if I go out, now I start from the beginning. So this is the menu, Citizen for Administration. So next slide. Next slide. Next slide. And now you have all the video that you can run. Language is in English, but you can also check all the video that are in French, English, Spanish, Portuguese, etc. Right? So let me just go out. No. So here is the dashboard. So you have the filter menu. Here on the right side, you have the stat, the menu, the report. So got it. And do you wish to participate? Sign in, skip, right? So here is the dashboard. So let me just show you. Filter all the report, or you can filter the last day. Okay, submit. So now there is no report. If you filter the last months, I think that there is also no one report. You can view the report, okay? And here is the report that you can view somewhere. So let me just go out, and you can here view the report, Radmove, etc. Okay, so you can enter and view it. Okay, you can view this one, another one, etc. So you can view either on the map or you can switch. So now if you go to, there is a statistic, so number of report issue assigned, etc. Okay, and you have the menu, so login, log out. Okay, so let's go to login. So you can log in as a Google, Facebook account, or with email. So if you want to register, let's register now. Okay. So here you need to accept the terms and conditions, okay, that are in English. Accept. Okay. You're above 16 years. Sky. Okay. Evelyn. Okay. Let's say Sky Eve, Sky 78. So this is 180, which is the place we are. And here you can, enter. The city is Montigny. Okay, 78, and so this is the the password. Okay, Montigny 78. Okay, email is contact at CIT2ADM, which is the name of the application, .com. Sorry, .com. Okay. Town, you can leave it. Okay, France. Okay. So then you have a link. You need to acknowledge the email, okay, to be able to pursue. So here is the email. Come in. Okay. Bienvenue, welcome. So this is the email. Okay, I acknowledge. So now, thank you. Your registration is activated. Okay. So let me go back to the application. Sorry, I did, okay. So now I am connected. So Sky 78180, sorry, 180. Password is Montini78. Okay. And now I can connect. Normally, so the application is connected. So it is a mix of French and English. So very sorry, but we are going to correct this. Okay. And so now that I am connected, so you can see few reports. You can, move on the map. So let's see this one, Paris. Okay, you have the report, which is the zebra crossing in Place de la Bourse. Okay, so you can because I am far away. Thanks. So let me just send a report. Okay. You need to be close 5 kilometers in a circle close to the issue, right? So I am far away, so that's why I cannot do this. Okay. So now you have the menu. Okay. I am connected, and you can see the profile. Okay. Profile is Sky 78180, contact, basic, etc. Right. So this is about the registration, and you can surf, you can go and view all report. You can here say that I want to see the report that are all the reports. Okay, sorry, all the reports. Okay, and now you have many reports coming on. Okay, in Paris, because I filtered them to view all the reports. So that is about just the introduction of the application. Next session, we will go through the menu details and also how to create a report, to post it, to view it, to vote on it, etc. Thank you for this first introduction.